Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 16. I have finished my hair first of all, so I'm gonna get a little reveal, and I'm also gonna do like just some skincare, and all of that stuff that I normally do, like a little more deep in the monthly skincare thing that I do, shape of my eyebrows and all of that stuff. And I think I'm going to do my toes tonight. Hopefully. I think I am. Maybe like while I watch a movie or so. Because doing my toes isn't really anything extra. Oh, by the way, yes, I'm starting this vlog at night, going into the next day. So yes, I'm starting this vlog at night because that is when I finish my hair. So we're gonna do a little reveal of the hair, right? Finished it just so long ago, not too long ago. Say fresh, 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 fresh. I do have some little alterations to, well, not alterations, just some little final fixings, but this is just the finished as it is now. So let's take it off, and there we are. So this is my hair. Yeah, this is it. So this is my second time doing blonde braids. The first time I had done it for my birthday, which was further up in the year. I did it for some birthday pictures that I took, and I also just wanted to try the color for the first time, which is blonde. And I didn't go with, like blonde with a touch of black in there. No, I fully wanted the blonde hair as it is, and to just see how it looks. And it really fits me, surprisingly. Mom did it the first time. And I'm now doing it on my own the second time, as you guys saw. So I finished it up just not too long ago. I think it's about after 7 hours. So and I finished it up. I had some stuff to do during the day, so I wasn't really like consecutive with it also. So these braids are specifically called French curl braids. There's the front. Okay. So these braids are called French curl braids. If you guys don't know what they are, basically braid the top and then you leave like maybe about a half of the amount of hair, or maybe a little bit more, or maybe a little bit less, depending on how you want the length of your curls to be, where you want your curls to be. You leave out the curl. So the basis of this is like the curl in the hair. It's like a different curl pattern than how you regularly would curl your braids. This is it. Let me give you a little 360. The back. I said I do have some little fixings or stuff like that to do. And then back, this is the front again. Carry it around. And that's that. I'm gonna do some skincare, which is, just like face shaving, little hairs on your face, cleanser, pore cleanser, regular cleanser, shaving my eyebrows, all of that little stuff. So we're gonna do that now. So I'm gonna see you guys in the bath. Okay guys, I'm in the bathroom. First things first, I think I'm going to do my little, shaving off of those little hairs on my face. I don't know, like some call it face shaving. I think that's what they call it. So people, let me tell you something. The hair it's not heavy, it's just bulky, but it's not heavy. Though it may get heavy over time, but that's alright. Hey guys, so it's the next day. As you can see, I fell asleep. I didn't get to do my toes, nails, none of that. I fell asleep. The only thing I did was my skincare. So this morning we're going on the road. we are going to get some of the final stuff for the house for like you know to make like dinner and whatever like that. Because we're not going on the road next week. Hopefully we do not have to. Or if we do, it's nowhere too far because the road is really, really crazy right now and we don't want to be out there in that all the time. So I'm gonna get some final stuff today. I'm also picking up a book from my best friend. She has like a little book business that she sells books. So I ordered a book, so I'm going there today to pick it up. And yeah, just picking up the book and going to the supermarket. That's really it. I also want to come home and like do my little cleaning slash decorating for my room, but we will see. If I come home in time to do it, then sure, but if I don't, then I'll do that another day, which is fine too. So we're gonna head out to go on the road now, and we're on the road. See you guys there.
This is all
Okay guys, so we're at the supermarket now. Yeah, all tools, homemade pasta, and we're picking up a few of the things that we need to pick up today. I already picked up my book from I already picked up my book from my friend already, so these are cakes. Nice. I don't like cheese. Unpopular opinion.
It looks nice.
Oh, it looks nice. Okay. Oh, this sounds nice. Caramel pecan cheesecake. That sounds nice.
I'm not really fan of. I'm just looking at the array of pastries.
Yeah, they look nice.
This is what I want to get into. Oh, look at
That's
these.
cute.
This is cute.
Is that cheesecake? That's probably cheesecake too.
Wow, this the decoration.
Oh, they have a lychee cheesecake.
Pretty.
That sounds
and
really
this is nice too.
This is a strawberry torte cake.
Yeah, these are beautiful.
And this is the I don't really like chocolate.
This is beautiful.
It's a very nice presentation.
Yeah, the decoration, I don't know what it is, but the decoration is out of
I haven't had cake in ages. I might come back and get a
try.
I might get a slice.
This is black forest. I like this. You know, I can't do it, but I still want tea. When we're coming out, I want to get a slice of the black forest.
That's cute. I like that. It's a cute little
package. The thing is nice.
Yeah, it's a cute little
I go for the whole patcheria thinking I cake top them. I'm not too interested in it. But
that's a cute little package.
Yeah. And it's 2,210.40. This looks like it's shy of a pound. It is
It's 7 inches.
Yeah, it's a 7-inch, but I'm looking for the weight. What's the weight?
No, they wouldn't put the weight on it here.
They're supposed to. This is a different brand.
Oh, see here, this is 2 pounds.
No, this is a different brand. This is a different.
This is a different brand, so it depends on the brand.
And this is. Well, so these are 2 pounds.
Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
2 pounds. This is nice. These are cute. We can't add this inside of them though. Like them have
I threw it in at the AC.
No, it look like the top.
No, not tinted. Plastic wrap. Plastic wrap on the top.
No, but the plastic wrap still. This is beautiful. This is weighty.
That's a regular Christmas cake?
Yes, and it's 5,040. And you know all of these are plus stock. It feels really good. I like the top.
Oh, so the rest of them here.
And I didn't take review for nobody branding, but I'm saying presentation says a lot. You can see say under here, plastic wrap is over it.
Plastic wrap is over it and then plastic wrap again.
Oh yes, the top has this nice, moist, glassy look where you know I always a chat about. Yeah, the color is good. I don't know how for own. But I look funky, I can't look as me have a life. This is 3,000. I'm telling you, the thing is, look at this. You see, this is still a 7-inch cake, and it is saying $3,040 here. It is the weight of what is in there. You see what I'm saying?
Everybody different.
Yeah, and this is a 7-inch. Yeah, I like these. The presentation, you can see they have plastic wrap underneath and so. I can see these were baked in a container, plastic wrap, and then packaged in this. And I look good. I'm not telling them I want that cake today.
So you just want that one?
Yeah, I'll go for this.
Cucumber.
When I smell candy.
Cucumber. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the tissue. I'm soon come. Well, this is the liquor section, so you just have to look. Okay guys, so we just came from the supermarket and we're in halfway through now. We are leaving town to go back home, and this is how the traffic is so far. It's not too much, it's not too little. Most of the cars that are in the plaza, they're really just keeping parking space and some people walking here and there and all of that, but there's not really much happening on the road that much. The traffic isn't as bad as I thought it would be, but it's not that late in the evening, so maybe there will be more when the time comes. So when we're back at home, I will talk back to you guys. Alright guys, so we're back home now. We're done with the road for the day. So I'm just gonna give you guys just a short haul of some of the stuff we got. First off, let me just get this bag. This is my stuff separately that I bought because like just some snacks and some other little stuff in there, because I will be hosting something with my friends soon, so I just bought those snacks and stuff for them for like when they come over and stuff like that. But I'll show you guys the preparation for that in due time when I'm near to doing the hosting for what I'm doing. So this is the household stuff that we bought. So first up, we got some whole grain spaghetti. Whole grain spaghetti. I don't know if this is angel here or it's just like the fettuccine spaghetti, but whichever one it is. We have some lasagna, pasta shells or whatever they want to call them. We have flour, just regular all-purpose flour. We have some little smaller like snack stuff that we didn't get when we were supposed to do the second part of the trying the snacks video. So we got just some other small ones. We got like the coconut drops, we got peanut brittle. I just got a police one for myself. That's one is just for me. Club social and just duplex, just these little small ones. Then we got 2 chunky jack mackerel, or whatever I want to call them. Yeah. Butter. This one, yeah. This is unsalted butter. We got this piece of pumpkin right here. I think mom is gonna use that for her video. So we got 3 tissues for our bathroom. We got hand towel. We got this hand towel also. We got bread, icing sugar. That's for like when mom is baking and stuff. We got 2 of these packs of like bulk margarine. They're in some little scoops, which are really cute. We got some shortening also, but just 1 pack of this one. We got this little pack of garlic powder because mom is trying to get like a different little thing of garlic powder outside of this one brand that she had because she don't really like it, so she's trying another one. Eggs, we have 2 of these sets of eggs here. This is cheese because their sliced cheese is really reasonable there, so we decided to get like the sliced cheese is honestly so reasonable. It's like $400 and something for like I think like 12 slices of cheese, which is so reasonable. So we got 2 of those. We got 2 chicken leg and thighs, one here. Yeah, one here, and then we can lift this up. So we got our ham for our Christmas dinner table. It's the smoked one, yeah, and that's about it. That's all we basically got. And we had also signed up for just like this little, you know when you go to supermarkets and you use like their point system, like reward points card. Yeah, we just signed up for one of those. It's not bad in there. It's pretty reasonable. It's not more expensive than any other supermarket, and it's not really like any less than any other one. Some stuff are very reasonable, some stuff are the same, which is perfectly fine. It's just a new supermarket that we wanted to try from the regular ones that we go to, and I think it's okay. Oh, we forgot something. Milk. We got 2 of these, and oh, oats. We're out of oats. So yeah, that's about it if I'm correct. Yeah, that's all that we bought. So this is gonna be the end of the video, the vlog today. Guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Vlogmas day, today is what, 16? Vlogmas day 16. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell us your favorite bits and pieces of the vlog, all of those other things, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas day 16. Bye.